Welcome to the new sound. Today we'll explore what an additive approach is in music production and how it relates to the music we make. In music production, an additive approach is a method where elements are added incrementally to create a full track, kind of like painting a picture one stroke at a time. This technique starts with a basic element, such as a beat or a melody. From there, producers gradually layer additional sounds, like basslines, harmonies, or other effects. Each layer is carefully selected and added to enhance the track, creating depth and texture. One major advantage of this approach is its flexibility. It allows producers to experiment with different sounds and textures, leading to unique and dynamic tracks. To effectively use this approach, start simple. Focus on your core element, then gradually build around it. Remember, each layer should complement the others, not overwhelm them. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.